So we are going to first see if Python is installed. Then we're going to install Python and we're going to be installing our editor as well. I'm using a Windows machine, so I'm going to select the Windows link. And first thing we need to do is check our current version. So I have PowerShell installed on my machine. So when I follow these directions of pressing shift while I right click, what I see is open PowerShell instead of opening the command window. It's basically the same thing. Okay, and so if I key in the command to see if it's installed, it says that it is not installed. Now, if you have Python installed, it'll show you what version you have, and you need to have version 3.6 or higher. So I don't have it at all. Now, if you're concerned, if you have PowerShell and you're concerned because you didn't see the command window, you can actually open that still. You can type command prompt down here, or I can actually see it here. It's going to have the exact same results, but I will show you. Okay, exact same results. So I'm going to close that. And then I'm going to move on to installing Python.